So I've gone ahead and keyed in the introductions, HTML, and the JavaScript. And you'll notice that the JavaScript is in the body of our page. Now this particular section of code could actually have gone up in the heading because we're not writing to the screen. However, in the next exercise, we are going to modify this and write to the screen, which is why it's positioned in the body. Okay? Normally, if you're not writing to the screen, you wouldn't position it to in the body, but this will be changing. And just to give you an overview of what it's doing, we're declaring 4 variables: name, color, food, and age. So we're saying name, color, and food are strings, which are text. And then we're saying age is a number. Then we're using the prompt method. And we're asking, what is your name? They're going to key in the name in the dialog box. And whatever they key in gets stored in the name identifier. What's your favorite color? They're going to key that in. That gets stored in the color identifier. What's your favorite food? That goes into the food identifier. And what is your age? That goes into the age identifier. And an identifier is simply a name given to a variable. And because we've named these variables, we're talking about name or color, those are identifiers. Then we get down to the alert, and that just basically displays the information back to the user. So it's going to display whatever name they keyed in. And then we've got some text, you are, then it's going to display the age, some text, years old, here are your favorites, color equals, then it's going to grab the color, display that, food equals, and it's going to display whatever food they keyed in. And you will notice that anytime you are displaying or printing and you're changing the type of data. So we're printing out a variable and then we're printing out a string, okay? You end up having to use this concatenate operator, which is a plus sign. This is very common in all programming languages. So name is the variable, then we've got a plus sign, and then we have in double quotes you are, so this is considered a string. Then we have a plus sign, the age is a number. Okay? After the number, we're printing out another string. So every time the data type changes, we need to put in a plus. We need to concatenate it. And basically it's just adding you are after name, then it's adding in age, then it's adding in this phrase, then it's adding in color. Okay? It keeps adding it to this line that it's going to display. So at this point, let's go ahead and see how this looks when we run it. Remember where I threw this. Okay, so I'm going to reload this. What is your name? What is your favorite color? Favorite food? Pizza. What is your age? I'm going to say 29 and holding. All right, so displays all that information back. And that is exactly what it is designed to do. Now, in the next exercise, you're going to want to keep this open because in the next exercise, we're actually going to write the information to the screen.